Welcome to How to Build Your Raised Bed Planter on a Budget. Reclaim Materials Build, Episode 4, Raised Bed Garden Design. In this episode, we're going to show you a couple of raised bed garden ideas, hopefully give you some inspiration for your raised bed garden build. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. This is Walk-in Garden Design 1. This gives you approximately 80 square feet of raised bed gardens. This is made of 10 2x4 sized raised bed planters. And we have 4 round barrel planters in the corners. Those are made from 55-gallon drums, plastic water barrels cut in half with a 2x4 inserted. The approximate cost of this raised bed garden design was $50 in the metal cost. And the dimensions for this is it is approximately 14 feet deep from where you walk in to the back and 17.5 feet wide. This rectangular design allows you 1 planter in the center and then 9 additional planters there. Here we are at the second raised bed garden design. These are the large raised bed planters. These are the 4x10 size. With these 4 here, it gives you a total of 160 square feet. You can arrange these however you like. Here I have these in 1 row. On this picture here, I'll show you where I had them set up, 2 in front, 2 in the back, so as a cross. My goal is to make more and then have 2 rows of these. I saw on the Prairie Homestead where they had 16, 8 on each side, and it looked spectacular. Total metal cost for me for these planters right here was $52.48. And you would definitely be able to make these in 1 weekend. So 160 square feet, 1 weekend, $52 in metal cost. I think you'll be winning. On the next episode, episode 5, we'll go over some questions and concerns that some people may have, touch on some different stuff, hopefully plug in some holes of some questions or something that you have, and give you a chance to ask them there. And so we hope you have a great day here from Valentine Station. I'm the Resourceful Mechanic, and we'll see you in the next episode, episode 5.